Hey everybody, Mr. Hoarder here with another box of Star Trek The Next Generation Series 2. This is my fourth box out of my case. I've got two cases. I think I'm done with this product. I've pulled doubles of common autos in the same box. I have three of the same auto already. I'm nowhere close to making a set. I've got triplicates, and I've got doubles already of commons. Of course, commons. A little closer to my badge set, but so far it's been pretty rough. So this is box 5796. Pretty beat up, as you can tell after the first three boxes. So here's our first auto out of the first pack, and it's Lieutenant Darian Wallace. It's from the first season. You can tell from the uniform, but Guy Vardman, no idea. Don't even remember him from any episode at all, to be honest. This box is odd too, because cards are all flipped. It's the first time I've seen this. These are flipped one way and these are flipped another way. Man, what is going on? About halfway in now. We've seen one auto so far. Trying to get a main cast member, or maybe the cut. Auto. Scotty. Here's another auto. And it's, ooh, nice. I know this one's pretty hard to come by, so it's Matt Frewer. It's a limited edition card. I think they all say that, though. Yeah. Another auto. It's Markel Taylor. So, just as I was not pulling any autos, I get 2 in a row. Maybe this is the 4th. Don't think so. Nope. Be it. Yes, and it's what? Nor? Megan Cole from The Outcast. And one last pack. So, here's our autographs. Megan Cole, John Taylor, Mark Taylor, this guy, and him. Alright, thanks for watching.